Hello, hi, I'm Crow, and I'm the driving force and the energy and the face behind Driftwood Hollow Drums. And the chances are you come to this video, you come from our Etsy shop, and then you're considering purchasing either a drum or a flute or a rattle or another shamanic healing tool, and you'd like to hear the sound. And that's great, because that's exactly what this video is all about. All of the drums are handmade, handcrafted by myself. There's no other third party involved, so I know all about them, and I'm going to show you to you now. So let's roll the credits and let's have a look. And welcome back. Hello, hi. Right, let's have a look at the drum that you've chosen to have a listen to on the sound demo. And as you can see, we have a beautiful 18-inch buffalo skin drum, and it's got the chakra symbols painted on the front here with acrylic paint, which is rather a lovely design, I think. And on the back, you see we've got the cross handle, artificial sinew lacing, and this is beechwood for the wood here. This is like a rag, recycled woven rag material, which I've used to bind around here, which is quite funky. I quite like that pizzazz. On the inside of the frame, Driftwood Hollow Drums is burnt on there, so you can always see where you got the drum from originally, and also, more importantly, is the date of birth, 16th of October 2020. For all of those of you who are into your astrological readings and aspects and transits and things like that, you can look at the birth chart for the drum, find out what energies were happening on the day when the drum was birthed. Now, I've just brought this drum straight out from the house. It hasn't been tuned, it didn't need to be tuned, it's about at its normal level for giving a nice tone. Having said that, there might be other times when the tone will change. If there's more moisture in the air, or if it's particularly dry, it might go up or down and vary accordingly. But this is probably about its mid-range. Okay, I'm going to play with two beaters, soft beater and a firm beater. This one, soft one, that'll give you a nice soft, muted, gentle kind of sound. And the firmer one will be a brighter, more aggressive type sound, give you more definition to your playing. So I'll play with both of those. I'm going to turn the gain down on the microphone so that it doesn't overpower it and get all distorted. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed that. I know I did. Unfortunately, the microphone doesn't really pick up the resonance of the drums, any of the drums. They're just not sensitive enough to pick it up. And that's the after sound, if you like. After you've just struck the drum and the sound just fades away gradually, that seems to get lost in the microphone. But it has got a lovely long resonance. Especially when played around the sides as opposed to in the middle where it's slightly flatter. But yeah, it's a very beautiful drum. It'll be a beautiful healing drum, and it's quite light as well, so if you were using it for reiki, then it would be a really, for a big drum, it's a light drum. That's because it's willow. It's got quite only 2.5 inches opposed to normally the 3 that I make, and it's a very thin skin. So all that combined would make it a beautiful healing drum.
Okay, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to say cheery ho and thank you for watching. I'm Crow from Driftwood Hollow Drums. Bye for now.